In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a form in Tally. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to sign into your account, and then from here, from your dashboard, you want to go to the Home tab and click on New Form here in the top right. Then, of course, you can give your form a title or a name. We're just going to name this one My First Form, okay? Now, over here, you can then use a template, so you can click on here, and there's a bunch of different ones. So if you need a specific form, you can just go ahead and find the template over here, and then create it from there, or you could go and just start from scratch, which we're going to do right now because this is actually super simple to create. So we're gonna go and click on press enter to start from scratch, and to insert blocks, what you want to do is click on this plus button, and here you have like a menu which allows you to find a bunch of different blocks, or you can type in slash and then the name of your block or question, and of course that way you can add those in as well. So we're just gonna add something super simple. We're gonna click on the plus button, and we're gonna do like a simple form, and the first one is going to be a multiple choice question. I'm going to click on here, and it's going to basically allow you to kind of see the preview of what this looks like, as you can see, and now you can just click on it and it's going to work. Okay, so again, plus button, and then of course whichever you want, and then over here you have the option to do that. So I'm going to insert that right now. You have to type a question. I'm just going to type in what is your favorite color, okay? Favorite color, there we go. And now what you want to do is add the options. So I'm going to add red, I'm going to add green, I'm going to add blue, and let's just add yellow as well, okay? So this is our first part over here. As you can see, it's our first question. Now, of course, you can kind of minimize it or expand it over here, and this is going to make it required or not. It's completely up to you, okay? So our first thing has now been done. Now, you can go ahead and, of course, click on this button, as I said, to actually make it appear or not, if you want it more concise, or, of course, if you want it like spread out all over the place. Now, whenever you've done that, you can then go ahead and add a new one. So you can just go and click in a new line and click on the plus button to insert a new block. And now let's just actually add like a long answer as well. So it's going to look like this. Insert, I'm going to type in, tell me a bit about yourself, okay? So let's just make this like the second question. We have like two questions in our form already. You can then click here towards the bottom yet again, or just basically go and click on enter. There we go. And it's going to give you an option to basically add another one as well, okay? So here you can then just go to the plus button and keep on adding your questions into your form. So you have like a bunch of different things over here. As you can see, you have like new pages, thank you pages. You only have headings over here. You have things like you can even use like Wallet Connect, phone numbers, emails. They're like, as you can see, some like predispositions as well. So if I type in your email below, you can go ahead and do that, and there we go. Press the enter key. Now I'm in a separate tab, and yeah, that's essentially how you do this. Okay, now these marks again mean that questions are required or not, so it's up to you how you want to have them. By default, they're all going to be required, and you can use these things to basically move around. So if you want to like reorganize, it's completely possible. Just make sure you don't actually make it to where it's kind of weird and messy. Okay, if you make a mistake, press Ctrl+Z on your keyboard, and it's going to go back just like in any software you basically use. And yeah, that's kind of how you create a form. Okay, so it's super simple. Just keep on pressing the enter key and clicking on the plus button over here, selecting which thing you want to add in here, and that's all you have to do. Whenever you're done, you can preview your form. Top right, as you can see, works like this, like that. There we go. So I'm going to do like sample at sample.com. There we go. Let's say this is done. I can submit it, and there we go. As you can see, it's now working. And when you're ready, you can publish your form in the top right. You'll get your custom link, and that's really all you have to do to create a form in Tally. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.